What's this, once again, what's that across there? Cortex. Cortex is up here, medulla's down here.
Is there like an actual name for that, or is it just...
You mean like the cortex and medulla?
There you go.
Sometimes referred to as the renal cortex and renal medulla.
Medulla's down, is that right?
What?
Cortex is above and medulla is below.
Okay. Now, remember what I wrote up on the board, that what? In the medulla we find what? The collecting ducts and the loop of Henle. Okay, so the yellow's the collecting ducts. The loop of Henle's down here. The vasa recta are the blood vessels that follow the loop of Henle around. Okay?
So the loop of Henle is purple down there.
Yes, then, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
now notice that the green then is the renal capsule, which is the same as this green that's here. So the red is the glomerulus. Okay? Now the big one that comes in is the afferent arterial, which corresponds to this. The small one is the efferent. Okay? Now if you follow this out of here, okay, coming out, oh, let's do this guy down here. Okay, coming out of the glomerulus, the renal capsule, the brown is the proximal convoluted tubule. That leads to the descending limb, which goes to the ascending limb, which becomes the distal convoluted tubule that leads into the collecting duct. Okay. So over here you can see, and there's different areas, that's the collecting duct. This is the proximal convoluted tubule that's coming out. Okay, that's here. Okay, then you come down into the descending limb, which is here, and the ascending limb, which is there. Okay.
So the ascending smaller in real life, or just on the model?
It's also called thin limb. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So ascending is small. Descending is. But
Which
on
one's
here,
what?
the descending is.
On this one, the distal convoluted tubule is the same as this purple one.
So it's the purple.
Yeah, this purple one that's over here. Or I'm sorry, this one. It's this guy that's over here.
And on this model, the descending is the proximal tubule going into.
Proximal going into the descending limb.
Which is supposed
And
to
then
be.
this is the ascending limb that comes up into the distal convoluted tubule.
But ordinarily ascending is smaller, right? Which in the model looks bigger, but okay.
Okay.
So can you map blood flow just a second? Because I'm a little, like here, I see like the arteries here, and then like is that like normal?
These are the vasa recta, yeah. When I drew them, that's the vasa recta.
Okay.
This whole thing comes in here. This is the ascending limb, okay? These are the interlobular arteries that come out where the afferent arterial comes. The efferent arterial is the smaller one. Or if you like, over here, the big one's the afferent arterial, the little one's the efferent.
So really, all of this that is stretched out for us to see is within the Bowman capsule.
Well, no. Just this is, just those green ones
Just
are
that.
Bowman's.
Okay.
Only this part that's right here.
Okay.
Yeah. They're microscopic.
And all those other tubes are coming in and out of the.
Right. Okay? Okay?
I think so. What I know it's gonna be, beating the horse again. But one more time, around the.
Okay. Well, go. Put them off the same off of here.
Yeah.
Okay. What's this brown one going to be?
That's the proximal
Convoluted
tubule.
Okay.
All right. So we come down, and then we get the thinner one here. Okay. Which is actually, I'm sorry, and I got those. This is the over here, the descending limb.
Okay, that's
And then this becomes the ascending limb. And then this one becomes the distal convoluted tubule that flows into the collecting duct. You can see right there where the distal flows into there. You can see right here where the proximal flows in to the descending limb.
Okay. And that one upper right, that's upper right corner, that one there?
As part of this that's coming out of there.
That's what I was trying to
Okay.
point out.
That's proximal.
Oh, probably be proximal
Proximal.
coming out too.
But he didn't catch it.
Yeah, that's what I was
I know.
just making sure the colors are the same.
Can you go over the cadaver one more time?